Hello, Rudy Campos with the Rudy Campos Home Selling Team at eXp Realty. I have great news for those of you who are still looking for a home in the San Gabriel Valley. I have a listing that will be at open house this coming Saturday and Sunday between 1 and 4 p.m. in the afternoon. The property address is 5222 Doreen Avenue in the city of Temple City. The property is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,233 square feet home. We just lowered the price by $60,000 less than the appraised value. And the seller is very motivated. He's ready to wheel and deal. So please come over, take a look at this home. Lots of nice features. It does have solar and it's been paid for, so free and clear. If you have any questions regarding financing, I have the best financing available. This is for occupants, homeowners, and people who have sold their home and are looking to move up to a property 0.5% less than the market interest rate, no money down, no closing costs, and no credit check, as well as no mortgage insurance. If you want to know more, I would love to meet you at the property this Saturday or Sunday between 1 and 4 p.m. I look forward to seeing you there. If you have any questions, call me at 805-479-2992. I look forward to seeing you there this weekend. Take care. See you soon.